This is the first in a series of videos on how I made a Blue Book citation machine. For those of you who don't know, Blue Book is something lawyers use to reference cases. The first thing we need is a button, and we do that on Tkinter. As you can see, the top row is import Tkinter, and this is always the first step. It's necessary for every Tkinter program because it imports the entire Tkinter library. Now, root equals tk creates a root widget. There should only be one root per an application. Maybe later we'll get into what happens when you have an application with multiple windows, but for right now we'll just keep it simple. Next we have the button itself. We make the button out of labels with corresponding entry boxes. For the purpose of this video, we only have to place them on respective rows and columns, but it gets more complicated as our buttons do more things. Now we have our first front-end software on Tkinter. This is a button that doesn't really do anything. It's just a button, and then button root text is submit, so it says submit here. But as you can see, the button doesn't really do anything. But in the next video, I'll show you how to make the button do something.